best tea for cold, cough, and sore throat. Symptoms: cough, sore throat, fatigue, runny nose, headache, and sneezing. Ingredients: cloves, turmeric powder, ginger, green cardamom, which is called elaichi, black peppercorn, cinnamon, and honey. Pour 2 cups of water. Put ginger, 2 cloves, 4 black peppercorn, pinch of turmeric powder, 2 green cardamom, and 1 cinnamon. Let it boil for 1 hour in a low flame. Strain it with the help of tea strainer. Add honey according to your taste. The best tea for cold, cough, and sore throat is ready. Enjoy!